How many times have I told you to pick on some of your own size? I'm always happy to pulverize the cat for you, little pal. All cats are basically yellow-bellied cowards of the lowest kind.
Hey, you two, stop the fighting. You'd better learn to get along or else.
Hiya, cuz. It's swell to see ya. Excuse me whilst I break this up. Boys! You gotta quit all this violence. Like me, I seen the light, and I found peace and tranquility. After my last knockout, I had a change of heart and decided to give up violence permanent-like. It's all here in this book I wrote. Pulverize your anger.
Huh?
Nothing, Tom. Once you hear that again, Tom, then you find a door at the end of the road.
Try it, or else.
I don't know what you were going on money. Say, you look happy. I bet you would make me.
You see, cousin? Now that my temper is under control, I can enjoy more sophisticated pursuits. This is discouraging. Ahem. Lesson 2. Snack before you smack.
Yeah, I would feel, less angry if I ate a little something.
Oh, I'm so proud of you boys. Keep up the good work.
Lesson 3. Bump before you thump. Dance that rage off to a little music.
That went great!